Okay, what we have here is a Borderlands loot chest. This is the loot chest that you'd get in Borderlands 2. This is a 3D printed replica designed by me in 3D. Looks just like the one from the game. It does have a magnetic closure that keeps it tight. You open it up and inside is a personalized loot card here, as well as the ring sitting in a cushion on the inside. So there's the rare earth magnet there, and there's one attached to the top there. That's what keeps it nice and tight. So there we have it. The personalized Borderlands 2 loot chest from Pape Designs. If this is something that you like and you'd like to see more of it, please subscribe below. You can catch me. I'm usually uploading every once or twice a week. And then you can also watch me construct pieces like this live at twitch.tv/Pape Designs. So I hope you like it. Remember, work smarter, not harder. See you next time.